Hi everyone. You know what, guys? One of the biggest decisions that you will ever make in your life is choosing the right person who you will grow up with, the right person that you will spend the rest of your life with. Mhm. Because if you are looking for a forever kind of love, do not settle for temporary feelings. Choose someone who you could picture yourself through all the good days and the hard days and anything or everything in between. Somebody who you could imagine yourself spending time with, watching TV. Just, even if you're not doing anything, just somebody that you can imagine yourself sitting beside with while watching TV or having a walk. Things like that. Okay? Think about that, guys.